didn't become a founder because it was an easy road. You want to solve big problems, do things differently, and build your own future. Raising funds, finding product market fit, and building the right connections, it's a tough journey. That's where AlphaLab comes in.
AlphaLab is a nationally recognized, nationally ranked accelerator based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We work with early-stage tech founders to help them through their early journeys of growing a business. And we do that through an in-person, immersive community focusing on a few key areas. We help founders through customer discovery, customer acquisition, and their plans to grow their customer base. We also work with them on their capital journey. So we help companies prepare for fundraising, and we work with founders across many industry tracks: software, life sciences, hardware, and robotics. We work with founders solving challenges in all of these industries in one immersive cohort.
Southwestern Pennsylvania forges ahead with technology-friendly infrastructure, including top-ranked universities, vast expertise in manufacturing, affordable cost of living, and a culture funding focused on its continued growth.
Innovation Works is really embedded in the Pittsburgh startup ecosystem, even from very early stages. So even before I joined the AlphaLab Accelerator, I was familiar with members of the Innovation Works team actually as a PhD student at Carnegie Mellon, because they sent people to come and meet with students who are interested in starting startups and help advise them on how they can turn their ambitions into a company.
Being a CMU spin-out company, we are very Pittsburgh proud. AlphaLab has a diverse group of founders, mentors, and experts, and we really wanted to be part of that community.
I think Pittsburgh is really unique in terms of AI and robotics, and we have this fantastic ecosystem. What AlphaLab is able to do is really coalesce a lot of those regional partners into one place where you can access all of those things.
One example I'd like to give founders for kind of what the program can do for you. Randomly, our company needed to find a gamma sterilization facility that had very rapid turnover, that was located anywhere between Chicago and the East Coast of the United States. When we first walked into our meeting, our weekly check-in, we got it done. And we got it done because of the experts that AlphaLab here was able to bring to the table.
Founders launch futures with AlphaLab, bridging the gap between early-stage startup and growth. The impact of their success is evident not only in the companies, but throughout our region as new innovations are adopted, creating both local and broad economic viability and sustainability.
AlphaLab has a number of competitive advantages, and I want to first talk about our investment terms. AlphaLab offers up to $100,000 of funding, and we take only 2% common stock equity. We also take a multi-track approach to working with startups. We offer prototyping tools, we have an incredible machine shop, we offer wet lab space for life science companies, and we provide these tools to help founders through the early stages of prototyping and building their companies. And we have over 300 companies who have come through our program since our inception about 15 years ago. So we have this incredible group of alumni who serve as mentors for the next generation of founders who are joining and going through our programs. So it creates this incredible community being focused on helping the next generation of startups grow and achieve success.
Are you ready to step up? Apply.
Inside